It is late at night. I have been watching TV for hours. I'm not tired, but I am hungry. The house is already asleep. My wife is in bed. Sandy is curled up on her blanket near the front door. I get up and walk quietly toward the kitchen. I turn on the small light under the cabinet. It gives just enough glow to see without waking anyone. I check the fridge and look around. Nothing appeals to me. I close it and try the freezer instead. At the back of the freezer, there is a bag of edamame. Edamame are small green soybeans, a classic snack in Japan. I take out the bag and put it in the microwave. The instructions say 2 to 3 minutes. The problem is the beep. When the microwave finishes, it beeps loudly. Short bursts that carry easily through a quiet house. That kind of noise would wake everyone. So I decided to stand there and press stop with 1 second left. I stand directly in front of the microwave. The kitchen is dark, with only the cabinet light and the pale glow of the timer. The timer begins to count down. 2 minutes, 1 minute 30, 1 minute, 30 seconds. I lean in a little. I raise my finger. 20, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 second left. I press stop. Silence. No beep. I let out a slow breath. I take out the edamame. They are warm and lightly salted. Exactly right. I carry them back to my chair in the living room. I eat slowly, one by one, while I finish my show. The house stays quiet around me. Just the TV and the soft crunch of edamame in the dark. It is a good midnight snack. After a while, the bowl is empty and I turn off the TV. I head back to the kitchen. This time, I don't bother turning on the light. I know the way. I move carefully through the dark, one hand slightly out in front of me. And then I walk straight into a chair. The chair scrapes hard across the floor. The sound is sharp and sudden, much louder than I expected. A moment later, I hear my wife's voice from the bedroom. Sandy lifts her head from her blanket. I say sorry. My voice is quiet, but it doesn't matter. They are already awake. I wash the bowl quickly, dry it, and put it back. Then I walk to the bedroom in the dark, carefully this time, both hands out. I get into bed and pull up the covers. The house is quiet again. Next time, I think, I will turn on the light.